Hello everyone. This is our CNC tube hole punching and collaring machine. Different pipe diameters require the use of clamps of different sizes. Different tube diameters and punch hole diameters require the use of different punch rods. Punch rods of various sizes can be easily installed and removed. They are secured to the rear of the machine. The machine is capable of punching holes in branch pipes of various sizes. We will provide punches and punch dies of different sizes according to customer requirements. In accordance with the requirements of our client in the UAE, this machine is equipped with 6 different sizes of punch dies, one set of which is already installed on the machine. The design length of the punch rod is customized based on the customer's longest manifold length. Before shipping the equipment, we conduct machine calibration tests on the copper tubing materials provided by the customer. The machine is capable of performing punching operations at various angles and positions. Next, we'll show you a video of the machine in action.